Samuel Colt was born on the 19th of July in Hartford, Connecticut. He was the second youngest of 7 children. Colt was 16 years old and sailing on a ship to India when he carved a model of a single-barreled pistol with automatically revolving chambers. The design was revolutionary in more ways than one. It turned handguns from single-shot devices into multi-shot machines that were far more useful and deadly in combat. His invention was said to have won the West. By the time he was 22, Colt had patented a working revolver in France, England, and the United States. He began manufacturing them in an assembly line factory in New Jersey in 1836. The company failed at first, but war with Mexico and expansion into the West required more guns, and Colt built up a new factory in Connecticut. His product increased in sales during the wars and contributed to the U.S. Army's success. His multi-shot, single-action revolver was so successful because in the amount of time it took to load a charge and a lead ball down the barrel of a single-shot rifle, Indians could shoot 6 arrows or run 150 yards with spear and tomahawk. The 6-shot revolver was a great invention and helpful to the troops as well. These are the Comanche Indians. The Colt M1911 is a single-action, semi-automatic, magazine-fed and recoil-operated handgun chambered for the .45 ACP cartridge, but is actually designed by John Browning. The Colt 38 Special is a carbon steel-framed double-action short-barreled revolver, a class of firearms also known as snub-nosed.
This is a 1920 Colt 32 caliber double action revolver. This type of gun was often used by police officers, henceforth the model name Police Positive. Double action refers to pulling of the trigger, which engages the hammer and subsequently releases simultaneously in order to fire the weapon. This firearm is loaded manually by releasing the cylinder and ejecting any empty shells. And reloading. This is an Agent 38 Special, which is the predecessor to the Police Positive. It's very similar. These were produced starting in 1927 through today and functions quite the same as a double action revolver with a manually loaded cylinder and push rod to release the empty shells. This is the classic Colt 45 ACP, which stands for Automatic Colt Pistol, designed by John Browning in 1911, henceforth the model name M1911A1. This is a semi-automatic, magazine-fed, recoil-operated handgun, which is still being used today, having only slight modernization. The difference between this and the revolvers is the magazine-fed loading system and the automatic recoil, which ejects the cartridge and loads the next round.